Hey everybody, I'm back with another review. Before I return this wristband, that'll tell you how this review is going to turn out. Before I start, one of my friends asked me why I do these videos, and I'll give you three reasons. One, to be informative. Two, I'm always curious why some bad reviews out there get thousands and hundreds of thousands, if not millions, of views. I can seem to get a few views, but I think my highest was like 500. So I'm always curious about that. And three, I'm actually practicing at doing monologues. I wasn't born with the ability to tell good stories, so I'm using this as a practice to quit using ums and other, well, there I did it, words in between my sentences. And here goes. Anyway, on with, and that's another one. Anyway, on with my review. This one is a $30 wristband that I got off Amazon because my iBand 2, which I reviewed a few days ago, broke. It stopped reporting from my iPhone to my iBand 2. And that's one of the big reasons I have an iBand or a wristband like this is I want to get notifications from my phone when I get a call or when I get a text. And I switched from a smartwatch because I like to wear regular watches, and I have a few of those. Anyway, this one, I'll tell you some good things. It does give me notifications, so that's a good thing. It seems to track the steps pretty well, but some of the things I don't like about it, this one has this really funky clamp, and I'm sure if I had to buy another one, if I lost this one, it would probably be expensive to charge it. The one that I had before, the iBand, didn't need anything. It came apart, and I just plug it in my computer or into a USB plug-in, and it was charging. So one of the good things about this one is it does keep track of distance in miles or kilometers. The one before, for some reason, was feet. Really weird. Basic setup. Everything seems to work fine. There's a shake to take selfie, which I don't use. You can connect to WeChat. I guess WeChat is something popular in China where this is made, probably. So anyway, all basic features. I don't, though, have a bar graph that I can see. Syncing data. Please wait. But yeah, that is one of the bad things. All the other ones, or both the other ones that I tested, had a bar graph on here for the time. The other thing I don't like about this is how dim it is. You can probably see it there, how dim that is. I can't see it outside, and even in the shade I can't see it. So I have to bring it inside to see. Also, it is small as far as the lettering, so it's a little difficult for my older eyes to see. In the iBand, it was color. This one's monochrome, and the text showed up. The whole text showed up on the screen. This one, it scrolls across the screen. I don't have the ability to give myself a text, and if somebody texts me while I'm here, I can show you. But anyway, the text goes away right away. It scrolls across the screen, and that's it. Very annoying. The other thing I don't like about it is this thing that protrudes out the back. I don't know if you can kind of see that. It sticks into my skin, and so not real comfortable. I thought this one would be comfortable because it's curved. There, it's trying to measure my blood pressure right at the moment. It does give me a tip if I'm not wearing it properly. It's kind of interesting there. And it does not have a Find My Phone feature. So those are all the things why I don't like it, and I am returning it. This was one that I got from Amazon. It was on this. I got this Amazon Google Chrome plugin, and it showed up there as a special of the week or whatever. And it had 4 stars on it, so I thought I'd give it a try for $30. I sent my other one back because it didn't work, but this one is going back because I don't like it. And hopefully I can find the iBand 2 that will work. I really like that one because I liked the color and I liked how it came apart. This one is waterproof like the other one, but it's just not going to work for me. Anyway, that's it. Have a great day.